Well, hello there, mates. Well, it's after school right now, and pretty tired, but I'd say it's a pretty good time for a good small spot of afternoon tea with microwave s'mores, of course. Let's go make it.
You'll need 1 graham cracker, cut in half, evenly of course, a spoonful of that magical marshmallow fluff, or real marshmallows, and a little bit of chocolate from that secret candy stash of yours. We know you've got one. And if you haven't, chop your graham cracker in half. Place 2 pieces of chocolate on a graham cracker half. Take a good old spoonful of that good old marshmallow fluff, and of course we don't advise throwing it, but place a little bit on top of the chocolate. Or place some solid marshmallows if you chose so, but the fluff tastes better. Dilly-dally your way over to the microwave. Microwave for 15 seconds, but don't forget to add a few more seconds if you've got a weaker wattage microwave. Carefully remove from the microwave and prepare yourself for the final step. Place that last graham cracker right on top. Looks nice, eh? Want one now? And for that quick college tea time, you'll need that pseudo tea. And of course, freshly chopped lime would be great as well too.
Well, there you have it. Quick and easy American scones made in the microwave. Oh, sorry, I meant s'mores. But anyway, it's pronounced scones. Scones. Well, could you please pass the honey sticks, please?
Oh, you mean the ones I picked up from the Hilton the other day?
Yes, those. Incorporated. Stir. Alright, it looks good. Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Oh.
Cheers.
Come on, prep it.
I'm warming
not.
I'm warming up.